Optimize your Windows 11 for slower PC or laptop. Hey everyone, without any delay, let's get started with today's video. For the first solution, right-click on your Start button and then go to Settings. Once that is done, you can see different options under System. Now you have to scroll down and go to the Storage option. Once you click on that, make sure that you have turned on this Storage Sense option. This will automatically free up the space and delete the temporary or junk files, which will be a boon for your computer. For the next option, you have to manage your privacy and security options. For that, on the left side, you will see Privacy and Security. Click on it and a new tab will open. Hereby, firstly click on General option and make sure that all these 4 options on the top is toggled off. This will also definitely help on making your startup or performance better. Similarly, you can go back and click on Speech and you can turn off online speech recognition. You can also make certain changes on privacy and settings in the similar manner if you are not using certain features. For the third solution, you can click on this Privacy and Security again, and this time you have to scroll down on App Permissions and go to Locations. If you are not using maps and such other things, you can turn off location services. This will also definitely help in the performance enhancement. Moving on the other solution, what you can do is go to the Apps option and go on Installed Apps. Here you can see all the default or the installed apps. If you find any app which is not required, you can uninstall from this place. This will also definitely help in the performance enhancement. So these were some of the ways to optimize your Windows. For more such contents, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and stay tuned.